Check this out. This is probably the coolest computer mouse I've ever used. This isn't the first transparent mouse I've seen, but it is the first one with these RGB tube design. Even the left and right clicks look like keycaps taken from a keyboard. It supports two connection modes with 2.4G and Bluetooth, and I like how the adapter, including this top cover, is just magnetically attached. That's becoming more of a trend and I like it. It's a pretty compact and small mouse, just around 10 centimeters in length, so if you have large palms, maybe this will be an awkward experience for you. But if you're used to medium-sized mouse, then this shouldn't be a huge problem. It has this button on the back allowing you to switch between 11 different RGB modes. Some are nice, others are a bit too bright. And that's basically the USP here, the unique design, because functionality-wise, it's pretty much a regular mouse. It has 3 DPI modes going up to 1600. The performance is okay, nothing's exceptional. It's pretty much only good for its unique design. I know some people may prefer these kind of strange gadgets, so this might be good for them. And it doesn't cost too much either. So given that price, I honestly can't complain. This is pretty nice. One thing I will say is that the colors may be a bit too contrasty on the webpage. Like in real life, they are a bit toned down, as you can see in this video. It doesn't look bad at all, but in the pictures, they may look high contrast. So, I'm just being honest. Expectation versus reality may be slightly less contrasty. But honestly, I think it looks better in real life than in online pictures. So just letting you know. I like how despite being so slim, you can still connect the Type-C port for charging and continue using this. You see, Apple, it's really not that hard. Anyway, you get the idea. If you're into these transparent electronic trend, then you might want to check this out. I'll link it down below.